Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce the MEEJEE, the MEEJEE toilet seat with automatic closing function. It's an oval toilet lid which can be closed. It's a toilet lid in white, a toilet seat with a soft close function in O shape. This toilet seat for our bathroom or a guest toilet, rental apartment or renovation is in an O shape. And it comes with a quiet comfort for the whole family with an automatic lowering function. The high-quality toilet seat with an automatic close gently and silently thanks to the soft close function. No popping, no pinch fingers. It is for family bath, children's and toilet trips. At the night, the lowerable toilet lid protects nerves and material quickly. It prevents damage and extends the life of the toilet seat. And hygienically clean and quick release function for easy cleaning. With the particle quick release, the toilet seat can be completely removed at the push of a button. Throughout the toilet clean down to hard to reach places without any tools. The dirt-repellent antibacterial surface made of durable urea duroplast is scratch resistant, water-repellent and colorfast. It is for families, public toilets and guest toilets. And we have an universally fits for oval and standard toilet bowls. This toilet seat fits the most oval toilets ceramic of well-known manufacturers thanks to the adjustable stainless steel hangs and standard O shape. We should check the dimensions before buying that device. The assembly is conveniently carried out from above with the enclosed templates as a video for me, and there is a template and exit alignment included. That's perfect for rental apartments, renovation, or frequent toilet seat changes. It is stable and non-slip. A maximum hold for a daily use staff. That means 4+2 non-slip buffers prevent the wobbling or slipping. The robust construction of that toilet lid with a soft closing ensures a secure grip and a stability even under heavy load. A durable toilet seat for a bathroom which demands on the quality and comfort in this price range. And we have an ergonomic comfort in the design this mixed function. The ergonomical shape seat of the toilet lid offers a maximum heating and seating comfort for adults and children. Pleasant feel, modern design, and high-quality materials makes this toilet seat the perfect choice for a stylish, functional, and comfortable bathroom. And, of course, you have here the MEEJEE. That's for a home that thinks alone. Design that refines everyday life with an eye of the detail and the heart of the quality. The MEEJEE harmonizes aesthetics and function. With the gentle automatic lowering, the lid glides quietly and gently. So quietly that we can expect almost a quiet elevator music. No banging at the night, no scratch pad, no annoyed roommates. We just relax the best comfort by using this MEEJEE toilet seat with automatic closing function in an oval shape. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.